quick makeup? Yes, please. You can make it quick and it can still be beautiful with the help of this amazing color stick. Like I said, I'm going to do a full face makeup look. We're going to do it quick and easy, under 5 minutes. Know exactly what I'm going to put on. So that takes the, decreases the amount of time I'm going to spend doing my makeup because I don't have to sit there and humdrum about what I'm going to do. I'm starting with the Tinted Primer. I like to wear light. I wear 105 in our other foundations. And so just to give you a reference, sometimes I put this on with my fingers and then finish off with the buffer brush. Just depends how I'm feeling that day. Sometimes I don't like the residue on my fingers as I just, go into the rest of my makeup routine. But it is such a nice application. Even though this is like a quicker makeup look, I'm going to take the time to put on eye primer because it will make the makeup last throughout the day so much better. Put some on my lips as well. Now I'm going to my brows. We have many eyebrow colors or eyebrow products. Brush on Brow is one that I used for a long time until we got our felt tip. Now I love this one because I just like to add a little bit of length to the front of my brows. Overall, they're pretty dark for now and pretty full. We also have the retractable pencils that are a great option. This is the one that works for me. Find what works for you. And it's just so quick and easy. So I've got my base done. This is my fast, everyday go-to look. Color stick. You're going to love the brown. I'm going to just spot it on. I always start with my cheeks. This one's a little bit darker than Sydney, which is you have that. It's a beautiful pink. So just be a little bit more careful in your first application to get used to it. I always like to add some to my nose. Just real scrappy right now on my lips. Going to throw it on my eyes. You may find, depending on the size of your eyelid and the space between your crease and your eyebrow, that it might be better for you to dip into your finger because you don't want to get up here by your arch. And this is a pretty chubby stick, so that may just be a little funny. Okay, and you're done. Told you it's fast. Just kidding. We're going to blend. Okay, I've got my blush brush. And if you want to make it even like blendier, you can hold it tight. You could use your buffer brush. I just don't like to get the color on here because I save this for foundation, right? So I'm usually using my blush brush to blend. Then when I get to my eyes, just use my finger. These are just such natural colors. The color sticks that we have that really they can get diffused into your eyes and it won't look scary. It will look very natural and soft. I'm going to add a little shimmer. This is Hugs and Kisses, just in the inner of my eye. You can use a blender brush if you'd like as well. I'm kind of switching between fingers and brushes, so just whatever you're feeling that day. And I think that little bit of sparkle really helps to soften the look and open up your eyes because you're adding shimmer. Now, for just a really classic basic look, you could use a brown liner. I'm going to use Emerald, which is a really nice green. Just a little bit on the corner. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty with the brown? And then you can blend it in with a liner brush, or I'll just show you all my super fast tricks. The back of the eyeliner, which is soft and rounded, and just punch it in that way. So apply it to a shorter distance. Then when you blend it, it will extend. And I really do like to take the time to blend with either tool, but I find that that creates a nice diffused look for us type 2s. Now I'm going to curl the lashes. I'm going to add a brown. Our Ultimate Brown Mascara, which thickens the lashes. This would be your replacement for a black mascara. It just has that really nice deep brown look. And then I just quickly go over it with my eyelash definer. This is honestly what I do every day when I want that color on my face. I want to feel finished and confident. I'm using this color stick with a few little added pieces. This is Honey Bun. I like to, if I'm going to add lip liner anywhere, it's usually after the fact. I know sometimes probably they teach to put lip liner first, but I always do it after, probably just habit. And I like to emphasize the points on my lip. I find that that gives a fuller look and more defined and helps to bring the color of the lipstick out even more. And that's it. You're done with this color stick. You don't have to decide anymore which colors go with what. Just like when you're going to go brush your teeth, you don't look around and decide which toothpaste you're going to use or which toothbrush you're going to use. You know exactly what you're going to do, and it makes you do it. Plus, you like the benefits of clean teeth. So you want to put the makeup on, you know exactly what you're going to pick, and you love the benefits of this beautiful finished makeup look. We have two beautiful colors, a pink and this new brown Spencer that you will love, and it goes on so creamy and soft. It will definitely bring out your type 2 beauty.